Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. I love smoked meats. The flavour of the bark make the proteins taste so much better. So today we're smoking turkey legs with hickory flavoured wood chips so we can make lots of Christmas recipes from the leftovers if there are any. I might devour them all myself. Note that I'm using hickory because it's my favourite. You can use apple or maple, they're good on turkey too. Ingredients are hickory wood chips, 1 large turkey leg. I only found 4 medium sized ones, but they're still a decent size, so I'll smoke those. Sea salt, apple cider vinegar. It's good on pork to keep the meat tender. I'll try it here too, unless you like your meat dry. With the side of gravy, it's good either way. Step 1. Make sure your protein is defrosted first, then heat the beads until they're red hot on a gas burner, it's quicker, or do it the manual way. And have your smoking apparatus ready. I have this smoker barrel. I say protein because if you don't like turkey, you can use chicken too. Just watch the smoking times, they vary. A whole turkey takes about 4 hours. A chicken is way smaller, so maybe 2.5 to 3 hours. Step 2. While the beads heat up, grab the turkey and marinate it. Grab a kitchen syringe and inject parts of it with apple cider vinegar, then salt the skin generously, both sides. Step 3. When the beads heat up, place them carefully on the bottom tray of the smoker, mixing them with long tongs so they light the ones that didn't get much heat. Then place 5 or 6 hickory wood chips, then place the holding rods and close the lid and let it smoke for a bit. Step 4. While the smoke builds up, grab the hooks and find the solid meaty part and stab one in each of the turkey legs. Then take them to the smoker. Step 5. Open the lid, grab the tray the turkey's on and hang the hooks on the holding rods. Don't drop it in, be careful. You don't want to drop it in the hot coals and get soot all over the turkey. I've made that mistake before. Close the lid and leave it alone for 4 hours. Set your alarm to remind you and live your daily life routine. Step 6. When the time's up, check on it and place it in a tray and cover it up. The hot coals that remain, you can make a chicken if you like, or just extinguish them with water. When they dry, you can reuse them again. Just top them up with fresh coals or heat beads. The burnt outside is carcinogenic, so don't eat that if yours is overburnt like mine. Scrape off as much as you can and go for the inside meat. It will be tender and delicious. Enjoy a delicious smoked turkey leg this Christmas. Be seeing you.